I'm Dr. Nagji, your physician lead for Pregnancy Vancouver. I'm so thrilled to introduce you to our website, a clear, trusted, and evidence-based hub for maternity care resources. As you know, pregnancy is a personal and dynamic journey, so we created this platform to support you in supporting your patients through every stage, from pre-pregnancy all the way to newborn care. Our website is designed with busy providers in mind, featuring intuitive navigation, comprehensive resource hub, and a phase-based journey so your patients can stay informed at every step. We've included imagery and interactive elements to make it both informative and engaging. Whether your patients are looking for resources on nutrition, newborn care, or postpartum support, it's all in one place. Inclusivity is at the heart of what we do. You'll find resources in multiple languages, culturally diverse visuals, a careful and intentional accessible design, and a playful fruit module showcasing babies' growth stages using fruit from around the world. We work closely with clinical experts and community members across Vancouver to ensure these resources are both relevant and warmly welcoming. A standout feature is our stage-specific section and essentials. It gives your patients a roadmap from pre-pregnancy to newborn care so that they know what to expect and how to prepare. Our interactive Find a Doctor map helps your patients locate local family medicine maternity care providers, filter by language preferences, and see which hospitals they attend. The Resource Hub's filtering tool lets you quickly pinpoint evidence-based information, perfect for sending patients links that they can rely on. We hope that you'll check out the About Us section, where you'll get a chance to meet our local family maternity providers, OBs, midwives who contributed to this site. We were very intentional with our commitment to inclusivity, and we hope that that comes across on the site for you too. We're confident that this site will offer you efficiency and make things easy for you because it's patient-centered, evidence-based, and had a robust, creative process. So we hope that it adds value to your work. We also have a newsletter that delivers timely emails, pregnancy, stage-specific content, plus an occasional newsletter to keep everyone updated with new information. With Pregnancy Vancouver, you can support your patients more efficiently while giving them reliable, easy-to-navigate resources. It's all about better, more informed care. Visit the site today to see how Pregnancy Vancouver can help equip you to do what you do every day. We want to thank you for the quality patient care you provide.